If you will not build your dreams, someone else will hire you to build theirs. Hey beautiful people, this is Pearl Hong, and our question for today is, how can entrepreneurship be life changer? Yes, we all know more likely in this generation na kailangan mo na talaga magnegosyo. Because alam nyo ba, na nung unang panahon, kung tatanungin mo, bakit naman sinabi ng nanay ko na ako'y maghanap ng trabaho? At yun din ang in-advise sa akin ng lola. Dahil kung titingnan nyo, nung unang panahon, isa lang ang may trabaho sa pamilya, okay na. But now, dalawa na may trabaho sa pamilya, minsan kulang pa rin. Why? It's because our economy is changing. And kailangan natin mag-adapt to that change. Dati kasi, talagang iilan lang ang mga pwedeng magtrabaho. Talagang yung edukado na tinatawag natin. Yung mga taong, kumbaga may natapos. Even yung unang panahon, nagtatapos sila ng pag-aaral sa ibang bansa. Di ba? Katulad nila Jose Rizal. For them to secure a bright future. Dahil dati, uso yun. But right now, it's really changing at nagiging hindi na ganun kalaki ang nare-receive na salary ng isang nagtatrabaho. Nung panahon ng Kastila, okay yan. Pero sa panahon ngayon, kailangan mo na magnegosyo. More likely in today's world. Kasi everything's available. You can have your marketing online. You can do free advertising. You can even profile yourself on social media. That's why this is the best time to do business. And it will be so life-changing dahil you are in control of your income. I do believe that if you're not in control of your income, you're not in control of your life. Dapat hawak mo kung alam mong gusto mong kumita ngayon ng 100,000 per month. Hawak mo kung gusto mo kumita ngayon ng 1 million per month. Diba? Kung kahit ganun kalaki. You really can if you're doing business. But if tayo ay hindi nagnenegosyo, ang iyong sipag ay minsan hindi nag-i-equate sa iyong salary. Minsan kahit anong gawin mo, timplahan mo ng kape yung boss mo araw-araw. O kaya everyday mag-greet ka ng good morning. But then kung ganun yung sweldo, ayun lang din ang ibibigay. Kaya I really encourage people to do business right now. Sabi nga nila, if you will not build your dreams, someone else will hire you to build theirs. So we are given 24 hours per day. Lahat tayo pinanganak ng pantay-pantay na may 24 hours per day. It's just that those entrepreneurs, they really maximize their time by building a business. That's why ikaw as Pinoy, let's do business and maximize our social media. And masasabi ko, business doesn't require any background, academic achievements, na dapat nakapagtapos ka o kaya marami kang iba't ibang lengguwahe na alam. Hindi nagre-require ng ganon. It just requires courage para sa'yo for you to start. Akala kasi ng iba, ay, puhunan ang pinaka-importante sa pagnenegosyo. Well, hindi. Ang pinaka-importante sa pagnenegosyo ay ang concept na gagawin mo. Dahil ang puhunan, kumbaga, parang minor lang yan na kailangan sa pagnenegosyo. You need knowledge, you need concept. And today, there's a lot of businesses na sobrang ganda ng concept na meron sila. And katulad ko po, hindi po ako nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Kasi pagdating ng college, nahihiya po ako sa ate ko na paaralin ako because I was an orphan. I experienced doing business, Avon, no, nung high school, nagbebenta ng lipstick, ng mga bra, ng mga, yung nirarub mo yung, ano, yung kamay mo dun sa magazine, tapos aamuyin mo. Yun po yung mga binibenta ko dati. And then, load, nagbebenta rin po ako. I have experience doing business nung bata pa. And it's really life-changing kasi hawak mo kung ano ang magiging income mo. That's why I do believe na lahat tayo may kapasidad para magnegosyo. And fun fact, I started doing business, like business talaga, at 16 years old. I opened my computer shop at 18 years old and I did a lot of businesses at an early age. Kaya early rin po nagkaroon ng harvest time and I can't wait for you to have your own harvest time. This is Pearl Hong sending you love and light!